Welcome, everyone. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of creating an accounting period. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new accounting period and its management. You can find this under the Settings Setup menu. Here it is, Accounting Period. This function is used to manage each company's accounting period log, allowing control and management of imports, bills, and journal transactions after the accounting period is closed. Once the financial statements are logged, no further adjustments can be made, such as forwarding policies or applications. For example, when you create a new payment, if the start and end dates of the payment processing fall within a logged period, the creation will not be successful unless the period is open. All operations must be performed within the open cycles. Let me show you how to create a new accounting period. First, you need to provide the period name and its year, along with the start and end dates. The start and end dates cannot overlap with an existing accounting period. And here, the new accounting period is created. You can also use this plus button to create an accounting period between specific dates. And that's how you create and manage an accounting period. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos for more helpful tips and information. See you next time.